So y'all, we are getting a small downtrend. Okay, now I thought that we were going to have a uptrend. We were going to have an uptrend, which we may be going into an uptrend now because we did complete another downtrend. But I thought with this consolidation period right there here that we had, that we were going to have kind of like a little uptrend. Um, but the thing is, we didn't. Now let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Now, if you look right here at this consolidating trend, okay, you look right here at this consolidating trend, okay, look how consolidating we had our little uptrends, and then we had one right here and it had another uptrend. Now, I thought we were going to have one. I thought we were going to have one at this point right here, this consolidation point, but we had a downtrend, and that is kind of the norm, okay? Because the thing is this, like I said, you have individuals, all right, who wants to start selling now, okay? Because Saitama was on a high, so for a lot of individuals to think that they thought that they missed out on certain other highs that they did not sell at, um, there a lot of them are panicking, and like I said, y'all, the thing is this: you can tell that some of these individuals or investors, right, are individuals that want to hold long. You can tell that they're individuals that want to hold long because if they didn't, they would have been sold at some of the all-time highs up in this area right here. Okay, so a lot of this comes from panic. Okay, a lot of this comes from misinformation because it makes no sense to sell at these lows right here. All right. So the thing is, y'all, the trend is going to eventually pick back up because Saitama is the hottest project out. Now, Saitama is moving kind of with the market or a little bit behind the market. So that's the first time this has happened in a while, okay? Because if we look at the market cap is at 110 trillion. All right, and then we look at Saitama, usually where Saitama is used to trending at, okay, is the three zeros. Kind of like they're kind of like almost on par with that, okay, when you think about it, because some of the uptrends that they were used to trending at near the 1.10 trillion range was 2 zeros, 3, 6, 7, or 8, somewhere in that range. So right now the market is back at the 1.10 trillion, and Saitama is kind of like at the 2035. But the thing is this right here, the reason why I say that they're kind of still on par with the market at the moment is because a lot of the pump, okay, when we got up to the 3.9 range, like in like the 4.0 range and all of that, it came from a lot of the catalysts that we had coming in. Okay, now of course we had like the SATA swap, we had SATA Pro. Okay, and we had like other catalysts that were mentioned during like the AMA and stuff like that. So we got a lot of our pump, okay, and we got a lot of revenue coming into the project based on a lot of catalysts that were going on and catalysts that were mentioned, okay. But when you take that into factor, when you take that into consideration, okay, you're kind of still evening out. So I wouldn't even say at this moment we're behind the market. I would say we're on par with the market and moving with the market. Okay, we go down here, we're starting to see a green trend. So hopefully we can get a rebound. Okay, usually when we get trends like this, okay. Sorry about that, y'all. Usually when we get trends like this, right, we end up rebounding. Okay, look at the trend right here, this sell-off trend that we have right here. We usually end up rebounding. Okay, and that's what it looks like. We could be going into another green trend. So for a lot of individuals looking at this video right here, this could be. Now, of course, you do your own research, okay, but this could be another buying point right here. Okay, right here where you're seeing this little green at right here, this could be a buying point. Okay, just imagine individuals who bought at this low right here. All right, imagine individuals that bought at this low right here back on the 5th, okay, and individuals that were able to enjoy gains, at least some of the short-term flippers. Y'all know me, I really don't do a lot of the short-term stuff, okay. Me myself, I'm long-term holder because that's what has worked for me, okay. But look at this right here. we had our buying pressure, and then we had our consolidation. Now we went into the downtrend, and it looks like we're going to pick up a green trend. Okay, so like I said, this could be a good spot to buy in. All right, now if we look over here, okay, we're going to check our rankings, okay, and see where our rankings have went. All right, so we look here, we're at a market cap of 157 million. All right, now we're going to come over here to coin market cap. Like I said, y'all, we can see the crypto market right now is at 1.10 trillion. So Saitama is still on par with the market. All right. So we're going to go over here to market cap. Let's go back and check it again. So we're at 157. 3. Okay, so we're going to go over here to market caps, and then we're going to go down. Remember, y'all, we're always on the second page. All right, we're always on the second page. It should not be long, until we break into the top 100 of the top 100 cryptos and market cap. All right, but for the moment, we're going to look down here, and what I say, 157.3. Okay, so look at this right here. We have some 157s up in here. All right, so we have 150. We are 157.3. We have DYDX, which is at 157.8, and then we have our Nervos Network, which is at 157.9. So technically, we will fall right over here. So we did lose some positions in the rank. We were trending like at that 150 to 150 position rank, okay, but we did fall down some, and that will put us right around where Lisk is at 100. See, Lisk right here is at 154. We're at 157. Oh no, not Lisk, but Flux. Okay, so Flux is 156. We're 157.3, but we're right under DYDX. Okay, so that will put us kind of in the ranking of 161 to 160. Okay, so not that bad, y'all. Okay, it is not that bad, and like I said, we are having a big sell-off right now because individuals are still trying to they're in a phase where they're FOMOing out. Okay, they're not FOMOing in, they're FOMOing out, so they have a fear of missing out on returns or profits or whatever like that. And it's coming a lot from misinformation, because like I said, y'all, it don't make no sense to sell at some of these lows when you could have sold up here at some of these highs. All right, and that tells me that individuals are hesitant. Okay, they're hesitant. They hesitated up here. Or should I hold? Should I hold? I want to be a long-term holder, but okay, as they seen sell-offs like this, they're looking at a lot of misinformation, saying that, oh, the project is now crashing now. And the thing is this, you're going to get that now. You're going to get it because you're not going to get a lot of positives. But the thing is this, a lot of individuals have to think on their own too. Okay, you have to think for yourself when you're investing into crypto or any other cryptos or stocks or whatever it may be. Think for yourself. Do your own research. But I think we will rebound. I know we will rebound because we have a good track record, okay, on this chart right here. If you look at the chart, okay, the chart tells you that, hey, let it be what it is. We're going to rebound. And if you look up here, we're still having a good bit of an uptrend. Okay. When we look at some of the all-time lows, like down here and there where the 2020 was at. Okay. And if we look over here at one of the all-time lows where you have like the 2027 or whatever like that, you can see that we're never trying to get down as low as to those points as we used to. Okay, they're all this team right here, and these investors in this project is always fighting to stay on the uptrend. So when you look at it and when you zoom out and you look at the big picture, it does not look that bad. Now, do you think that we will fall all the way down here from here? I don't think so. Okay, I think that we're going to continue our uptrend. Long as we see this right here going this way, this is a good thing. But the thing is also, if we do need a major correction, then I guess that's what we need. Okay, but I do not see a major correction. Okay, I see these small corrections and then the rebounds. All right, so y'all, like I said, you have to have patience. Okay, you can't buy into a lot of the FOMO. You have to do your own research, and then we should be wanting to do research anyway, because we're spending our hard-earned money. We're investing our hard-earned money. All right. So look, y'all, I also want to tell y'all this. I also made a new post in the Patreon also of the 2 cryptos I would invest in, okay, and the 1 stock I would invest in, as well as I got a couple other assets I would invest in. Okay, I put what I would do if I was working a 9 to 5 and wanted to leave my 9 to 5. Okay, and what the blueprint that I laid out, okay, which is actually my blueprint, okay, in my opinion, is better than a 401k. You get more value, okay. So if you want to check that out, you join the Patreon, and it's the assets that I would invest in. Only 2 cryptos on there and 1 stock that I would invest in, okay, in order to leave my 9 to 5. You know, whether it be 3 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, whatever it may be. But I'm gonna tell you like this: it's not gonna be 20, 30, 40 years from now, like you have to do, put in time in a job. Okay, so what would you rather have? Would you rather leave your job in 5 to 10 years, or would you rather leave your job in 20 to 30 or 40 years? Okay, so I got the blueprint of how to invest, or in what to invest in, to leave your job earlier than you not investing and having to leave your job way later when you're older, and you don't even just feel like enjoying life anymore. Okay, because these jobs burn you out. All right, so if you want to check those out, the links will be in the description and in the comments. And remember, y'all, we also have the membership also, where we're trying to build up our ecosystem. Okay, so we're still looking for our members to build up our ecosystem. Those links are in the description and in the comments. All right, and remember, with the Patreon also, you can join and cancel at any time. All right. But this is my video, and remember, every now will be history tomorrow, and you either have patience in this crypto investing space or lose in the end, and you don't want to be a loser. This is my video. Outie.